C40 is a network of almost 100 cities around the world, including Lagos, that promotes climate action. This energy usage survey is being carried out under its guidance. The team go door to door. They've already uncovered the main reasons why solar energy is not used more widely in such informal settlements.
Why people are not going for solar is because, one, they don't have the adequate knowledge about it, and finance is actually a problem to get a solar.
But a local mini power grid is coming to Agoegun, Buriga. The government wants 10,000 solar-powered mini-grids set up across the country by 2023. An environmental NGO teaches neighborhood residents how to set up solar panels and how to turn daytime sunlight into nighttime street lamps to make life here safer.
And when it is night, everywhere will be getting dark. So you can't see from here to that place. So, but when we install all this, you can see from here far distance. So that's the reason why we are doing this in the communities.